Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of WazirX, India's leading cryptocurrency exchange. WazirX offers an intuitive and user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, WazirX has tools and features tailored to your needs. The homepage provides quick access to market trends and price charts, enabling you to track the latest crypto movements. By signing up using the link in the description, you'll unlock an exclusive bonus for new users. After signing up, verify your account by submitting the required KYC documents. This process ensures secure and seamless trading on the platform. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard, where you can fund your wallet using multiple payment methods, including bank transfers and UPI. The deposit process is simple, with clear instructions for each method. After funding your wallet, you're ready to trade. The exchange offers spot trading, P2P trading, and futures trading for advanced users. Each trading option is accessible through the intuitive menu at the top. Explore the marketplace to view detailed charts and analytics for various cryptocurrencies. Use the buy-sell interface to execute trades instantly or set limit orders based on your target price. WazirX also features a staking option, allowing you to earn passive income by holding specific cryptocurrencies in your wallet.ad integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For enhanced security, WazirX implements two-factor authentication, 2FA, and advanced encryption to protect your funds and personal information. If you encounter any issues, the platform's dedicated support team is available to assist you. Don't forget to explore the mobile app for trading on the go. The app offers all the features of the web platform, ensuring you never miss a trading opportunity. Enjoy trading and building your crypto portfolio on WazirX. Remember to subscribe to this channel and give a like for more crypto tutorials and updates.